Well, it's about 85 degrees today for Bruiser and I hiking. Not as bad as it was the last couple days, but it's really humid out. Come on, Bruise. Here he comes. But I guess with all the humidity, it's keeping people off the trail because spiderweb. Ugh, spiderweb. Just walked through a spiderweb. Apparently nobody has walked through here today since I just walked through a spiderweb. Oh, I am hearing some people up ahead now, but I haven't seen anybody yet. Somewhere. Alright, well, I better go catch up with Bruisey. But the humidity's maybe keeping some people off the trail for a bit. It is quite humid. He's just leaving me. Oh, it's slick over here. Oh, the mud. Oh, yuck. The muddy boot cleaning time.